Hi friends, வணக்கம் and welcome to ALV Creations. This DIY is for making bed cover for a foldable bed. I am repeating this DIY for my non-Tamil speaking viewers request, and I have shared the Tamil version link in the description box which I have posted already. Measurements to be taken are length, here it is 60 plus 14, 74 inches, and width 38 inches, and thickness 2.5 inches. We are going to make this bed cover in a single piece of fabric. So let's assume this piece as our bed and calculate the required amount of fabric. As we are going to use a single piece of cloth, let's fold the cloth around the sponge and leave seam allowance of about 1 inches each side and cut the fabric. So the total length should be calculated as 2 times of the bed length, which is 74, and 2 times of the thickness, which is height, 1 inch for seam allowance because one side we are going to stitch, and 2 inches for ease. Because this fabric may tend to shrink after 2-3 washes, that's why we add 2 inches for ease. So the sum we get is 156 inches is the length of the fabric should be. Then to calculate the total width of the fabric, we have to sum up 1 time of the bed width plus 2 times of the height and 2 inches for seam allowance as we need to join both the sides and 2 inches for ease. So the total is 47 inch. Fold the fabric. Here we have to attach the zip. To insert and remove the cover easily, we have to stitch the zip in U shape. Decide this length and leave up to this. Stitch the remaining part in both the sides. Let's look into the original cover now. I stitched both the sides to be closed permanently and kept the zipper for the remaining part. Zipper length should be 2-3 inches more than the required length of the zipper part. This will be adjusted at both the ends of the zipper by inserting a little bit of the zipper under the seam line. Now we have to stitch in the corners. Let's first do it in the folded side. We have to draw the shape without touching the seaming line. Based on the thickness of the bed only, we have to draw the shape. Here the thickness is 2.5. Have drawn the inner box for 1.25 inches. We have to draw the outer line for half inch. In folded side, we have to draw the shape like this. In open side, the box should be like this. We have to leave seam allowance in both the sides of about half inch. This length should be 1.25 inches. In all the four corners, cut on the red line. I mean the inner shape. In two corners, open the box and arrange it like this and stitch on the seam line. We stitched on two sides. Now it looks like this. Other two sides are zipper sides. Here we have to join the pieces separately. Here also we have to stitch in the same way. Before attaching the zip, we have to insert two runners at both the ends. Start at one side. Keep 1 inch of the zip under the fabric and start stitching. Unfold the edges like this and join the zips. In the corners, we have to fold like this and the zip will be joined like this. The output will be like this. Fold the fabric of about ½ inch and keep the zip underneath and join the zip. I hold the fabric by placing a clip like this. As the cloth moving at backside becomes heavy, which pull the fabric. So to avoid that, I am holding the cloth by this way. Now we reach it at the other end. Here we have to stitch like this. Now we have to join the other side of the zip. Here the corners are matching exactly. This is another corner. Here also the lines are matching exactly. Let's join the zip. Keep the extra zip inside the fabric. Join them completely. The bed cover is ready and it looks pretty good for my bed. Now it's not a perfect fit. Maybe after 2-3 wash, the cloth may get shrinked. This much fitting is quite good and it is easy for us to insert and remove the cover. As we used very lengthy zip, it is very convenient for us to insert and remove the cover. Even you can increase or decrease the zip length if you wish to. In this project, I used 3 mm zip, but we can use 5 mm zip as well. We could buy zips in meters along with the matching runners and counts. These zips are readily available in any stationery shop and bag stitching shop, or we could buy them in online as well. I hope this video is very useful and informative for you. Thanks for your love and support. See you all in my next video. Have a great day.